Method 1. Create a PDF from a file. Open UPDF and tap the Tools button at the bottom. Click on the Other button. From the drop-down list, pick the format that fits your needs. If you're working with multiple images, you have two options. Select Combine into Single Document to merge everything into one PDF file, or choose Generate a PDF per file if you want each image saved as its own individual PDF. Click Apply button to successfully create your PDF. Method 2. Create a PDF from a blank page. Click on Tools, then select Blank. In the pop-up window, you can adjust the page size, change the orientation, choose the number of pages, and select a paper style. Click the Apply button to successfully create your PDF. Method 3. Create PDF from scanner. Before we begin, please check that your scanner is connected to your computer. Let's start by opening UPDF, then go ahead and select Tools from the sidebar. Click on the Scanner option in the toolbar. You can customize the scan settings to match your specific needs, including scan type, paper size, orientation, and other options. Once you are ready, start scanning. Click Apply, and UPDF will automatically scan the document and open the newly created PDF. Method 4. Create a PDF from screen captures or Clipboard. In the top left corner, click on File, then select Create, and choose PDF from Screen Capture. Click OK to create the PDF. Download UPDF now for free, and start creating PDFs your way.